Visitor Guide อุบลราชธานี อุบลราชธานี can be very hot in April but it become very beautiful and green during the rainy season. The Candle Festival is in July. So many people travel to Ubon during that time to see the parade. In the cool season, you should bring a jacket for the morning, but you can wear a t-shirt during the day. You can visit 3,000 โบก to see the rock hole or go to Sirinthorn Dam to see the solar farm. Thank you.